Yeah, so since today is my birthday, my friend Hovi invited me to stay in his campsite for free. So we are staying here and then enjoying chatting a lot. Yeah, see you. Hello everyone. So today is my birthday, so I'm here out at the campsite and I'm going to spend a few hours here in a tent to sleep and to take rest also. So right now the weather is so cold, and as well as it's raining, and so I'm going to drink this hot coffee. Oh, just check out. So I'm inside my tent drinking tea. So this is my special.
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
So this is the outside view. So lots of trees.
Everything that happens is motivation.
This is the outside view. So these are the tents available for the people who want to stay. The weather is so cool, the weather is so good, you know. It's raining. Ooh.
Work in the history of man.
Hello friends. What's your name, bro?
My name is Rauf.
Rof. Bilal. Okay, where are you from?
I am from Kerala.
Kerala. Okay. So how are you feeling here, coming to Nagaland? It's called amazing, right? Oh, really? Okay, glad to know that. Okay.
They're all
All right. Thank you so much. Yeah. Bye. So on my birthday, I'm like doing one of the adventure thing that I always want to. So just check out. I'm enjoying staying in this place.
Everything that happens is motivation. Everything that happens is motivation.
So you see behind me, like it's foggy. It's getting foggy, and it's getting very cold. But I'm feeling good. I'm having a good time.
I regard the work of motivation the most important work in the history of man. Everything that happens is motivation.
So this is the view from below the
Everything that happens is motivation.
see the fire is burning. It's very cold, so we have just make the fire and then we are making ourselves warm.